So let we start the new chapter, thermodynamics. Before starting the chapter, firstly we see some basic definition. To understand the chapter thermodynamics. Some system. Basically it is of three types. First is the open system. What is the open system? Such system in which matter as well as energy both can be exchanged from its surrounding is known as open system. Like hot cup of a tea. So in which matter as well as energy both can be exchanged from its surrounding. Second one is closed system. Such system in which matter cannot be exchanged. Only energy can be exchanged from its surrounding. Third, isolated system. Note down the definitions. Isolated system. Such system in which neither the matter nor the energy can be exchanged from its surrounding. So these are the system. And in thermodynamics we talk about the isolated system only. Some processes, because these words are used in whole thermodynamics. Some processes. First is isobaric. Isobaric means pressure is constant. That is delta P is equal to 0. Second one is isochoric process. Isochoric means volume kept constant. So final minus initial delta V is equal to 0. Third is isothermal. Isothermal means temperature kept constant. So delta T is equal to 0. Fourth is adiabatic. Adiabatic means heat kept constant. dQ is equal to 0. It cannot be written as delta Q because it is not a state function. Actually, why we put here delta and here dq? Why we put? Basically, state functions are those which do not depend on the path of the system. It depends on initial and final stages only. Final stage is attained in any manner, doesn't matter, but it depends on initial and final stages only. That is why we give the sign delta in state functions. But remember that, note down this point, Q and W are not the state function. That is why never written as delta Q and delta W. It depends on the path of the system, and it can be small differentiated. It cannot be complete differentiated because it depends on the path of the system. But Q plus W is equal to delta E. Q plus W is the state function. If the question is which is the state function, Q upon W, Q plus W, then the answer is Q plus W, because Q plus W is equal to delta E. Basically, 7 quantities are the state function where you completely differentiate, and these quantities depend on initial and final stages only, does not depend on the path. 4 are the thermodynamic quantity, and 3 are the pressure, volume and temperature. What are the thermodynamic quantities? H, E, enthalpy, internal energy. E can also be written as U. E can also be written as U. Both are the same thing. Entropy and Gibbs free energy, P, V and T. These are the state function. These are the state function. Q and W are not the state function. So these are the basic things for thermodynamics. These are the basic things for the thermodynamics, and these words are frequently used in the chapter of thermodynamics. In the chapter of thermodynamics. Now we start with first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics.